What I wish I knew about earning rewards when I first joined Neo Financial. Let's make it simple for you. Welcome to our quick guide on how to sign up for Neo Financial using my referral link and earn instant rewards. First, click on the referral link provided in the description below to get started. You'll be redirected to the Neo Financial homepage. Here, press the Get Started button. Next, enter your basic information like your name, email address, and phone number to create an account. Once you've entered your details, you'll need to verify your identity. Upload the required documents and follow the instructions to complete the verification process. After your account is set up, add $50 to your everyday spending. This will instantly credit your account with $10. Apply for the Neo Financial credit card to receive an additional $25 instantly. That's it. Follow these steps to earn rewards and start enjoying the benefits of Neo Financial. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates. Thanks for watching. For any questions, leave a comment below.